Hello everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 20th June 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. PM Narendra Modi released the 23rd installment of the PM-KISAN Samman Nidhi scheme, transferring 18,880 crore rupees to more than 9.44 crore farmers across the country. President Droupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Pahadpur today to interact with school children during the President's visit to Madhya Pradesh and Odisha.
International news. Today, 20th June, is observed globally as World Refugee Day, honoring refugees and raising awareness about displaced people worldwide. Global crude oil prices have dropped to around $75 per barrel, bringing relief to oil importing countries and helping reduce energy costs.
Karnataka state news. Karnataka begins the Special Intensive Division (SIR) of electoral rolls from today to improve voter records and electoral transparency.
Sports news. The third and final ODI is being played in Chennai today, and fast bowler Harshit Rana has rejoined the Indian squad after recovering from a knee injury.
Thought of the day. If you can dream it, you can do it. Walt Disney. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.